Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mule, and today is Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. And today's topic is shear and compression. What is it for? Early in last week's post, we featured a horse named Romeo who had injury, traumatic injury, due to going over a fence. He had lacerations and caused extensive swelling. And he did absolutely fabulous. We groomed him, we cleared the pathways, we did MLD. But I want to show you additional types of scarring that and how we use the structured hands-on therapy to address it. So let's take a look at Galaxy. She had a mast cell tumor in her neck. The first thing we did was clear the pathways. We did some grooming and MLD, and then we went to work on that scar tissue. It actually got very, very soft and gushy. You can't tell through the photo. But you have to take my word for it. It was exciting to see. Fred on the right-hand side is a Belgium draft horse, and he does pulling, and he had CPL. He's allergic to clover through a clot, and the clot formed on the medial side of his hindquarters, right where the red circle is. And so we did some compression. So being that he was a CPL horse, we really benefited from both things. Not only did we get the swelling down in his leg, we reduced the scar tissue through compression. It was wonderful to see. You've got questions about becoming an equine lymphatic therapist and learn to do these things? Email me at info@healequine.com. For more information about our lymphatic curriculum, you can visit us at healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum and dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can. In 2024, believe in the possible.